Okay, so kakaligo lang natin. So so first is we'll have to comb our hair. So for OOTD's video, saan man yan? Taking to our eyes. So I'll just comb our hair first. And yeah, we didn't have eyebrows today, so it's natural with a t-shirt and short pants, my favorite. And then so guys, so this is our sabon, and it is why I glow. And yeah, they have toner, and then they have day cream, and then they also have this night cream that you can use. So first of all, we've done combing our hair. Then let's use this one. You'll get a cotton buds. No, it's just cotton soak. And then I just have to do it that way. And okay. So their toner is not strong. It's like very mild lang. It's very mild. So you'll have to rub your face very slightly. Don't rub it too hard because, you know, syempre, if dili ma-burn imong dili ma-burn ang imong face. And so my eyes is still foggy, but anyway, my eyes is like that. It's inward. What's important is you can see. So after the one, then your neck again.